thank you for coming out and volunteering today. There was a lot of cogs in the wheel to make this happen. One of them is the president of the Players Association, Gary Fensick, who was we went to school here at Central Middle School. We both played professional sports, and we always believed in giving back to our community. And when he called me about bringing this event to Zion, I called Dr. Roberts right away and said this would be a great event for our family and our community, and we just appreciate your volunteering today, spending some time out of your busy schedule. So thank you for what you do for our community.